You ever have a vacuum cleaner and the headlight burned out on it? You know, people say, oh, a headlight's kind of silly on a vacuum cleaner, but you know, it's really not. Hello, I'm Daryl. How you guys doing today? We got another Kirby vacuum cleaner repair video for you. And, you know, it's nice and daytime out. You can see your carpet pretty good here. And, you know, it's not hard to see where you're vacuuming at. But, you know, if it's a cloudy day and you still want to vacuum, maybe you don't have great lighting. You get over into this corner of my living room over here on this side of the coffee table, you really can't see down here to the carpet at all, especially in the evening hours. So, you know, having a light on the vacuum cleaner is really pretty desirable. Even up here in this hallway with the lights on, it's pretty dark. You can't tell there's a dog laying right there, can you? Who knows what you might accidentally suck up.
Yeah, like a gold earring that's 14-karat hoop.
All right, honey. We won't suck up any more earrings. All right, well, anyway, you'll avoid those kind of problems if you have your headlight properly working on your Kirby. All right, so we're going to change the headlight, and this is really easy on these Kirbys. It looks kind of intimidating. If you don't know how it works, you're afraid you might break the lens or something. So we're going to show you how to do it without worrying about breaking anything. This is the one we're currently using, and this is my parts donor vacuum that I keep around for spare parts. And this one has a good working headlight in it. So see this cutout here? This whole front end just lifts right up like the hood of a car. Look at that. Boom, lifts right up. And that's how you access the lock nut to remove the front agitator assembly. And the only screw we need to, or the only tool we need to do this repair is a small flat-bladed screwdriver. And up underneath here, we can see the dark plastic here. And this little single hole right here is the lock tab. And you're going to get it to the front side of that lock tab and just twist the screwdriver down a little and push downward on that tab toward the back of the vacuum cleaner, and the lens will pop right out. Alright, well, we had to put the camera down to hold it with two hands because it kept wanting to roll backwards. But alright, that popped up. You lift it up just a little bit and then pull it forward, and the whole thing comes off in your hand. Let me show you what you're actually pushing on to get this little tab right here. When this is up in the air on this angle, just like this, you're going to catch it by the lip right here, push downward toward the back wheel, toward the back of the vacuum cleaner on an angle, and this will pop right up and out. Set that aside, pull this back down a little, and now you can see inside where your light bulb's at. And this is just one of those standard little bulb capsule assemblies that slides to the right and pulls out. Alright, I put one finger on the top of it, one finger on the bottom of it, wiggled it up and down while pulling this way, and it popped right out. Look at that. And there it is. And now we're going to go over to the vacuum cleaner that doesn't work, or I'm sorry, where the headlight doesn't work. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find that little tab right between, right there. We're going to push down and back on it. And there goes the vacuum trying to roll away again. So I'm going to have to put you down again. Alright, now you grasp the good bulb from the sides. Here, you film for me.
Oh, okay.
Now I have a cameraman help me with this, so it makes it better now. Grasp the bulb. Come around here so we can see what we're actually doing. Push it in place like this. And, ooh, one of the little arms has bent on this thing. I've got to straighten that out. I'm going to pull that back over where it belongs. One of the little tabs is bent. Alright, on these kind of bulbs you have one tab on one side and one tab on the other side. And it doesn't matter how it goes in, it should be the same either way. So we're going to slide it in like so, and then just gently rock it and push until it snaps into place. There we go, heard it snap into place? And then before we do our thing and put it all back together, we're going to test it and make sure that it's working. We're getting ready for some noise, but the vacuum light should come on. There we go. So now it works. Pull our plug back out. Connect the cord back up. If you want to see how to replace this lower cord hook, I showed that on a previous video. It's pretty easy to do. I also have another video showing how to replace the whole cord on one of these, which is also an easy process that you can do yourself and save some money. These Kirbys are great vacuum cleaners. I highly recommend the G series Kirby. We're going to put the lens back in, whichever one looks nicer and cleaner and less scuffed up. I guess this one. I start with the top tab first. Goes in like that. And then the bottom tab push down from each side until you hear it click. Press the hood back down. And this job's done. You've saved yourself some money and a trip to the store. We do need to tell you though about this light bulb, because this is... Alright, the official part number I saw for this was a 109292 13 volt push-in light bulb. And you know, since it's a 12-13 volt size range light bulb, you can also go to your local auto parts store and get one. They can be ordered on eBay for as low as $1 a piece with shipping. And if you go down to your local vacuum cleaner store, support local businesses. If you have a store near you, that would be great. Expect to pay about $6 for a bulb. If you're into high-tech upgrades, there's a LED replacement light bulb you can also get online that will be whiter and brighter possibly and look pretty cool while you're vacuuming your floor. So lots of options from $1 up to $6 or $7. Local vacuum cleaner shop, local auto parts stop, or online, eBay or Amazon. Plenty of options to get your replacement light bulb. Why not take a few minutes to replace it, make you feel like your vacuum cleaner is still in good shape. You know, you keep updating your things that you have, keeping it well repaired and well maintained so they work properly and look good. You won't feel a need to go out necessarily and spend money to buy a new one when you have a nice looking one that's still performing its job properly. Alright, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.